Alright, we just microchipped all the little REDBONE babies. Hi guys. Everybody was so brave, nobody even complained. They're such good babies. They are sweet puppies. Oh my goodness. Hello, sweet puppies. Yours very cute. Yes. What if I gave you a little biscuit? I have a little bunch of little biscuits here. Want a biscuit? Oh, you did. Oh my goodness. Come here. There. Little tiny biscuit. Oh. Oh, that was wonderful. Okay. There you go. Everybody find biscuits. It's like, no, I can't. I'm busy. I don't even want any biscuits right now. Give it a second look. Nope, no biscuits. Hi, loves. Checking out the toys. Look at these pups. They are gorgeous puppies. This one's behind the tunnel. I can't see it. What you got down there? What you doing? Eating a biscuit? Okay.
Got it.
Oh, we got a visitor.
Hello.
Our brother-in-law.
Cool out there. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Wait a bunch of puppies.
Hey, Dino.
You need a compressor with that, eh?
Yeah.
Look at this. How cute is that?
Man, they are pretty.
Did you bring staples or no?
There's a few in there, but that's all I had.
Okay.
Okay, so this is baby 930 right here. Hey, back up. I gotta see you. The one that was playing and eating biscuits and everything. It's a very happy dog.
Yeah.
Are you chewing up all Dad's wires? Eh? What are you doing hiding back there? Oh, you're exploring. Oh, that's a pretty puppy. That is number 202. I think
I had a
that's...
couple of mailers.
Are you a girl or a boy? What do you have on you? What have you been into?
You might have some figure out and